while since I've done. Here we go. 2,500 square feet house, and I'm going into the main living space. 5 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, right. So it's been a while since I've done a house tour, and this is a follow-on from my last community tour video, which was Valley End. So the house that I did in that video, this is going to be a walkthrough tour of that same house. Let me jog your memory. It's a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,500 square feet house, 2,500 square feet house in Hope Mills in the community, Valley End, about 23 minutes from the All-American Gate, so maybe about 30 minutes to get to wherever you gotta go on base. Now, I did the video for my community tour video, and I just thought it was a nice space or a nice house to do actually a house tour of because of the floor plan and how it's set up. So let's go do that. Okay, here we go. And we're in. So right as soon as you walk in, there's this flex space, flex room right off the entrance. So it could be an office or, you know, library, whatever you want to use it for. But what I do like is that there's a second one of these spaces, and I'll show you that one. But there's also the half bath down here. And this is a closet. Nothing special, just a closet. Also, just excuse the mess, you know, new construction. And now, here's the other space I was telling you about. Wait, first, here's the garage. I'm all over the place today, forgive me. 2-car garage. But here's that extra space. So there's no closets in here, so it's not a bedroom. It's genuinely just the extra flex space. So for a couple where both of you need an office or both of you work at home, this would be a great floor plan for you. Or if you just want to make one an office, maybe one a yoga room or a gym or something like that, that will work. And then now we're going into the main living space, which this is your living space right here. And then behind me is the kitchen. It's a spacious kitchen, wide cabinets, granite countertops. You have your dining space right here. There's a pantry, a spacious pantry. Course, let me check. I always check if these are soft close or not. Looks like it is. Yup, soft close. Let's see. Okay, not the drawers, but that's okay. Okay, so just the doors, not the drawers. And door to this would be your backyard. You have a patio space. If you want to get it fenced in, close that off because the road is right there. So if you want to close it off from the rest of your neighbors, get a fence, patio space, enjoy your backyard. Now, let's go upstairs. So right at the top of the steps, to your right is the primary suite. Spacious room. Could definitely get a king-size bed in here, plus room for, you know, additional furniture. This is your ensuite bathroom, double vanity, your throne. You have a stand-up shower. Closet and a walk-in, well, linen closet and your walk-in closet. Custom cabinetry, you know, that's my thing. Okay. Now for the rest of the second floor. So there's a loft space. Here we go. This is considered, or they're marketed in market. It is an added feature of the property as a loft space. So along with the 2 downstairs flex spaces, you also have an upstairs loft space. You also have second floor laundry. And these are the additional bedrooms. Wait, second bathroom first. Double vanity. Then second bedroom. Third bedroom. Bedroom number 4 right here. And bedroom number 5. All right, and that's it. It's a lot of space. Okay, so let's talk to you about the house. Like I said, it was 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,530 square feet to be exact. We're in Hope Mills, about 23 minutes away from the All-American Gate. About 30 minutes to get to wherever you need to get to on base. And it's listed for $349,950. So $349,950 for 2,530 square feet. The builder is Bent Style Construction. He's a very popular builder here. If you're interested, first of all, let me know. There's several other homes in this community like this one, new construction as well, some under construction, some already done. And because I always forget, hi, my name is Jody. I'm a real estate agent in the southeastern part of North Carolina, servicing Fort Liberty and its surrounding areas. So Fayetteville, Hope Mills, Cameron, Rayford, Vass, and several other areas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And then, or just reach out if you have questions for me. I have all my contact options listed in the notes of this video, as well as in my profile description. So there's no option for you, there's no reason for you to not reach out if you need to talk to me directly. Okay, and that's it. Bye. Subscribe. Okay, now I'm gone. Bye.